Hello guys, just listening to the noisy birds. So beautiful out here. If you can hear that one bird screaming, that's the one that my youngest likes to call a screaming buzzard. Every time she hears that bird, she starts laughing and giggling so hard she snorts. But yeah, looks like there's two of them. Let me see if you can see them up there. Right on that pole line. I don't know why she finds that so funny. Every time they make their little loud screaming noise, it gets her laughing, so whatever. Anyways, it looks like Precious is out and about again. She's over by the big tree over here, walking around, being silly. It's already 77 degrees and it's just a little after 11:30. Oh, it's almost 11:30, sorry. In the morning. It's gonna be a hot one today. Anyways, I hope everyone's having a good day. And I'll make and post some more videos soon. Later.